I really like that idea of taking something, like I said, completely out of context.
So the idea of taking something that people are familiar with, a license plate, an old Ford truck tailgate, a boxing speed bag, something that people are highly familiar with, and take it completely out of context, put it in something that nobody's ever really seen before. A gigantic 4-story building of a face of Muhammad Ali made out of thousands of speed bags, or a series of portraits made out of license plates turned upside down, or roses made out of truck tailgates. And that, I love that. People walking in to see something and they say, oh, that's really unique, what is that?
I think it's beautiful.
I mean, I've always created out of happiness as opposed to angst. It's just always the way I am. If I'm not happy, I'm not working well. But the journey is always more exciting than the destination.